Ever wondered what Hugging Face is? No, it's not a new social media trend, nor is it a fancy new emoji. Hugging Face is, in fact, a force to be reckoned with in the sphere of artificial intelligence. A trailblazer that's reshaping the way we think about and interact with technology. Hugging Face is a company that has dedicated itself to pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Born from the vision of a group of savvy tech enthusiasts, it has grown into a leading player in the AI industry, known for its innovative work in machine learning and natural language processing. The name might sound playful, but don't be fooled. Hugging Face is serious business. Its mission is to democratize AI, to make it accessible and useful to all, from tech giants to the average Joe tinkering with code in his garage. This is not just about creating cutting-edge technology, but about making that technology work for us in our daily lives, right here, right now. Hugging Face's contributions to the AI landscape are nothing short of remarkable. They've developed state-of-the-art models that are not only powerful and efficient, but also user-friendly. Their models are used by thousands of developers around the globe, fueling advancements in everything from voice recognition to predictive text. But Hugging Face isn't just about creating cool tech. They're also committed to fostering a vibrant, inclusive community of AI enthusiasts. They believe in the power of shared knowledge, in the magic that happens when curious minds come together to solve complex problems. So, the next time someone mentions Hugging Face, don't think of a warm, fuzzy emoji. Instead, picture a groundbreaking AI company that's reshaping the tech world. A company that's not just riding the wave of technological advancement, but actively shaping it. A company that's not just dreaming about the future, but building it one line of code at a time. You might be thinking, okay, Hugging Face is a cool name, but what have they actually done? Well, sit tight because we're about to dive in. If you've ever dipped your toes into the ocean of artificial intelligence, you've probably heard of transformer models. These models, with their ability to handle complex language tasks, have revolutionized the field of natural language processing. And guess who's at the forefront of this revolution? That's right, it's our friendly neighborhood AI powerhouse, Hugging Face. Hugging Face has developed a library of transformer models that have become a cornerstone in the AI community. This library, aptly named Transformers, simplifies the process of using transformer models. It's like the Swiss Army knife for AI developers. Whether you're dealing with BERT, GPT-2 or Roberta, Transformers has got you covered. But Hugging Face didn't stop there. They also created tokenizers, a library that works hand in hand with Transformers. Tokenizers is designed to prep your text data, breaking it down into smaller pieces or tokens that are easier for the models to digest. It's like a sous chef, chopping and dicing your data to make it palatable for the main course. Hugging Face also introduced pipelines, offering a simple API for several high-level tasks, such as sentiment analysis, question answering, and translation. The pipelines library is like a translator, bridging the gap between complex AI models and real-world applications. And if that wasn't enough, Hugging Face also developed a state-of-the-art language model, GPT-Neo. This model, trained on a wide range of internet text, is capable of generating human-like text. It's like having a Shakespeare in your pocket, ready to spin a tale at a moment's notice. What sets Hugging Face apart is not just their innovative tools, but also their commitment to making AI accessible. They've created a platform for sharing pre-trained models, allowing researchers and developers around the globe to build upon each other's work. This is the equivalent of a communal garden, where everyone can contribute, share, and benefit from the fruits of collective labor. Moreover, Hugging Face has made strides in democratizing AI research. They've launched the Big Science Project, a research workshop focused on training large language models. This initiative is a bit like a global science fair, bringing together researchers from all walks of life to contribute to this exciting field. In a nutshell, Hugging Face is not just a company, but a driving force in the AI community. Their contributions range from cutting-edge tools to collaborative platforms, all aimed at advancing the field of AI. They're like the cool kid in school who not only aces the exams, but also shares their notes, making sure everyone gets to learn. From language models to tokenizers, Hugging Face is making waves in the AI world, and they're just getting started. Hugging Face isn't just about creating fancy AI models, they're also big believers in the power of open source. Imagine a world where scientists work in isolation, never sharing their findings, their breakthroughs locked away in a vault. Sounds pretty bleak, doesn't it? Well, that's the exact opposite of what Hugging Face believes in. They're all in on open source, and for good reason. Open source is like a gigantic, worldwide brainstorming session. It's a free exchange of ideas where everyone contributes and everyone benefits. It's like having an infinite number of smart friends to bounce ideas off of. And in the realm of artificial intelligence, this is a game changer. It accelerates innovation, and most importantly, it democratizes access to technology. But what does this mean in the context of Hugging Face? Well, they've taken this philosophy to heart. They've made their state-of-the-art models and software libraries available to the public, free of charge. This isn't just a generous move, it's also a strategic one. By doing so, they invite the global community of AI enthusiasts, researchers, and developers to use, improve, and build upon their work. The result, a vibrant, dynamic ecosystem where everyone is learning from each other, contributing their unique insights, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's like a bustling metropolis of minds, all working together to shape the future of AI. This approach has not only helped Hugging Face stay at the forefront of AI research, but it's also fostered a sense of community and collaboration that's truly inspiring. It's a testament to the power of open source and the incredible things that can happen when we choose to share, rather than hoard, our knowledge. So let's give a virtual round of applause to Hugging Face. They're not just creating cutting-edge AI, they're also empowering others to do the same. In the spirit of sharing and collaboration, Hugging Face is driving the open source revolution in AI. So, we've established that Hugging Face is a big deal in the AI world. But what's their role in the larger AI community? Well, imagine a world where artificial intelligence is as accessible as your morning cup of joe. A world where everyone from researchers to developers has access to the most sophisticated AI tools. This is the world that Hugging Face is working towards. The company is more than just a provider of cutting-edge AI technology. It's a champion for open source, a proponent of community collaboration, and a supporter of AI research. Hugging Face is like the friendly neighbor who always has the best tools in their garage and is more than happy to lend them to you. Now let's talk about how Hugging Face interacts with the AI community. It's like a bee, buzzing from one project to another, cross-pollinating ideas and fostering innovation. The company has a knack for encouraging collaboration. It provides a platform where researchers and developers can share their work, learn from each other, and build upon existing models. This kind of interaction is crucial in the AI industry. It's like a massive brainstorming session where the best minds in the field come together to solve complex problems. Hugging Face doesn't just sit on the sidelines either. It's an active participant in the AI community, contributing to research, providing resources, and even hosting competitions to encourage innovation. It's like a coach, cheering on its team and providing the tools and support they need to succeed. The company's philosophy of openness and collaboration has had a profound impact on the AI industry. It has fostered a sense of community where everyone is working towards a common goal. It's a bit like a potluck dinner where everyone brings something to the table, and the result is a feast of ideas, innovation, and progress. Hugging Face's commitment to open source isn't just about giving away free software, it's about creating a culture of transparency where everyone can see how the sausage is made, so to speak. This approach has encouraged a wave of innovation in the AI industry, as developers and researchers can learn from each other's work, iterate on existing models, and create something new and exciting. In short, Hugging Face is a catalyst for change in the AI community. It's like the match that lights the fire, sparking innovation and driving progress. And the company's commitment to openness, collaboration, and community has created a vibrant ecosystem where everyone can contribute, learn, and grow. Hugging Face isn't just a company, it's a community builder, contributing to the growth and development of the AI industry. It's like the conductor of an orchestra. bringing together a diverse group of musicians to create a beautiful symphony of artificial intelligence. And we're all invited to play along. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by all this talk about AI and Hugging Face, don't worry. We're going to summarize the key points for you. Let's start from the top, shall we? Hugging Face, aside from having a name that makes you want to, well, hug something, is a pioneer in the realm of artificial intelligence. It's not just some flashy tech company that's all about the buzzwords and jargon. No siree. Hugging Face is pushing boundaries, making waves, and dare we say it, shaping the future. This company's contributions to AI are nothing short of astonishing. They've developed state-of-the-art models that are transforming the way we interact with machines and understand language. And these models aren't just for the tech elite. They're accessible, user-friendly, and ready for anyone who's got the gumption to give them a whirl. But Hugging Face isn't just about making cool stuff. They're about sharing it too. This company is a stalwart supporter of the open-source philosophy. They believe in the power of community and the magic that happens when bright minds come together to solve big problems. They're not just building AI, they're building a community of AI enthusiasts who learn from each other, challenge each other, and inspire each other. And let's not forget Hugging Face's role in the AI community. They're not just participants, they're leaders. They're setting the pace, defining the direction, and inviting everyone along for the ride. They're creating a space where AI is not just a tool, but a passion, a hobby, a career, a calling. So let's take a moment to appreciate what Hugging Face is doing. They're not just another tech company. They're a beacon of innovation, a hub of collaboration, and a force of inspiration. So there you have it, Hugging Face, a company that's more than a cool name, it's a driving force in the AI world. Before we wrap up, we just want to take a moment to say thank you. You, the viewer, are the reason we do what we do. We strive to bring you engaging, informative, and inspiring content, and your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the information we shared, we'd be thrilled if you could take a moment to share it with others who might find it useful. And if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to our channel. It's a small action from your end, but it makes a big difference to us. It helps us reach more people, expand our community, and continue producing more content like this. So if you like what you see, hit that share button, click subscribe, and join us on this exciting journey into the world of AI. We promise you won't regret it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.